Hi, in this tutorial I am going to teach you the Sahityam, how to phrase the Sahityam of Raveme Swarajathi set in Ananda Bhairavi Raga. The language here they have the composer I used is Telugu. Since I was not knowing what Telugu language and how to phrase Telugu language, the tutorial which I took, which is having the first and second part, was having some mistakes in language, and I received some comments like that, and I went to learn. I asked some of my Telugu students who know, and they taught me how to say this Telugu phrasing. So based on that, how to sing this lesson, that's what I'm going to teach you this day. First, let's sing the Arohana and Avrohana of Ananda Bhairavi. Sa ga re ga ma pa dha pa sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. And in the previous tutorials I have taken it like Raveme, but that's not right. It's Raveme. Okay. Raveme. That's one phrase. Then Maguva. That's another phrase. This is Pallavi. Okay. Then Vinavu. At that moment, Vinavu, you should break. Vinavu. Cut. Tag. Vinavu. Tagava. Tagava is the next phrase. Vinavu. Tagava. Vinavu. Tagava. Then Veduganu. Veduganu. That's one phrase. Then Karuna Nedu. Karuna Nedu. Then Vagakuluga. Vagakuluga. Todugoni. Toduguni. So it is Raveme, Maguva, Vinavu, Tagava, Veduganu, Karuna Nedu, Vagakuluga, Toduguni. That's Telugu. Let me sing that in one stretch. Raveme, Maguva, Vinavu, Tagava, Veduganu, Karuna Nedu, Vagakuluka, Todugoni. That's how we should phrase the Pallavi. Let's move on to the Anupallavi. Vegamuga. Vegamuga. That's one phrase. Vegamuga. Then Jani. Jani. Break. Then Navibhu. Navibhu. Cut. Navibhu. Ganugoni. Ganugoni. Break. Ivadu valadani. Ivadu vadalani. Imata. Imata. Vinumani. Vinumani. Vegamuga Janani. Na vibhu. Na vibhu. Ganuguni. Ivadu vadalani. Ivadu vadalani. E mata vinumani. See how hard it is. Telugu. I don't know Telugu. Let me sing that in one stretch. Vegamuga Jani Navibhu Ganugoni Ivadu Aladani Ima Okay, that's the Anupallavi. Let's move to channel number 1. Amanini, break. Vagalemo. It is Vagalemo, not Vagalema. Amanini, break. Vagalemo, break. Chelunikemo, break. Kanamuka, cut. Tochinanu, cut. Marachenada, cut. Nemanukonu, cut. Yadaniga, cut. Manambu, cut. Nandu, cut. Nemi, cut. Tochakanu, cut. Nundigada. That's the last phrase. Amanini, Vagalemo. Cheluvuni kemo. Kanamukha. Dochinanu. Marache nada. Ne manukonu. Yadaniga. Manambu. Nandu. Nemi. Tochaganu. Nundigada. Okay, that's how we should phrase it in Telugu. Let me sing that in one stretch. Amanini vagalemo chelunikemo kanamukha tochinanu marachenada nemanukonu yadanika manambu nandu nemi tochakanu nundigada. Okay, so that's how you should practice the Sahityam for the first charana. Let's move on to charana number 2. There, Shri Karudagu, then Shobhanadri, Vibhudu Neda, Chelingala Senada, Nanum Galuvala. That's one phrase. Nanum Galuvala. Then Rajugalana. Delchunada, break. Upayamuna, break. Delpitodugoni. That's one phrase. Let me sing that in one stretch. Shri Karudagu Shobhanadri Vibhudu Neda Chelingala Senada Nanum Galuvala Rajugalana Delchunada Upayamuna Dalpitodugoni. So it's Shri Karudagu Shobhanadri Vibhudu Neda Chelingalase Nada Nanungeluvala Rajugalana Delchu Nada. People may sing like Delsu or Delchu. Okay. Chunada Upayamuna Delpidoduguni. That's how they are phrasing. We should be phrasing in Telugu. So, yeah, when you practice, the tune is primary and the Sahityam is secondary because we learn tune first, the Swaram first, the Swarasana and the entire thing first. Then, when you sing the Sahityam, it's better when we sing something either any language, English, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, anything, it should have a meaning. It should be senseful. Otherwise, we may break like we used to do. That's totally a mistake. So try to phrase like this and keep on practicing, then only Telugu people will understand what you're singing. Okay, so that's it for this day. Keep on practicing and kindly note how to use this Telugu language in lessons. Okay, that's it. Bye.